Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Google Antigravity rules and workflows. To get started, open the Antigravity software on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all menus and controls are visible. If the screen takes a moment to appear, just wait until the main workspace is ready. Starting from the main interface helps ensure you can follow the next steps without confusion. Once the software is open, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll find the Agent panel. The Agent panel is an important part of the interface because it gives you access to options related to setup, behavior, and customization. If you do not immediately spot it, take a second to scan the upper right corner carefully, since that's where these controls are typically grouped. After locating the Agent panel, click on the three-dot menu. This icon usually opens additional options that are not shown directly on the main screen. It acts like a shortcut to more advanced settings and tools, so if you're looking for configuration options, this is often the place to begin. Click it once, and a small menu should appear. From that menu, select Customize. This will take you into the area where you can adjust settings to better fit the way you want the software to work. The Customize section is especially useful when you need more control over how features are organized or how the system behaves. If the menu closes accidentally, simply reopen the three-dot menu and try again. Once you are in the Customize section, click on Rules. This is where you can access the rules and workflow-related settings within Google Antigravity. The Rules area is typically where you define or review the logic that guides how tasks and actions are handled. Opening this section is the key step for reaching the controls you need. At this point, you've successfully navigated from the main Antigravity screen to the Rules section through the Agent panel and Customization menu. If you plan to make changes, it's a good idea to review the available options carefully before saving anything, so your workflows behave the way you expect. That's the full process for getting to the Rules area in Google Antigravity. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the navigation clear and easy to understand.